on record.
In the jury box.
She, all right. I didn't think we were going to have jury trials, but check this out. Our vet support animal is one of our jurors today, apparently. So Juliet is earning her keep by being a juror today. Let's call the case the people of the state of Michigan versus Jayden Christner. This is file 2123683. And Mr. Christner is now here. Mr. Bush is his attorney, and Mr. Might is the Assistant Attorney General. And we are here today to enter a plea. And so, Mr. Christner, if you'd raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I have received an amended information adding a count of disorderly person non-support, which is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days. The charge of failing to pay child support was nolly. And so I assume he's here to plead to that. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Christner, you still there?
Yes. Can you
Okay.
hear me, Your Honor?
Yes, we can. All right, Mr. Christner, how do you plead to the charge of disorderly person non-support?
Guilty.
Has anyone promised you anything to get you to plead?
Not at all.
And has anyone threatened you?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand if I accept your plea, you'll not have a trial of any kind. You'll be giving up the right you would have had at trial, and those include the right to be tried by a jury, to be presumed innocent, to have the prosecutor prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, to have all witnesses against you appear at trial, to question those witnesses that appear against you, to have the court ordering witnesses you have for the defense to appear at trial, to remain silent during the trial and to not have that silence used against you, and to testify at trial if you want to testify. You understand you're giving up all those rights?
Yes, I do.
All right, and it alleges that between May and August of 2017, you failed to pay your child support. You were a disorderly person and that you had the ability, but you neglected to support your family, a minor, contrary to the statute. Did you miss your child support payments during that period of time?
Yes, I probably did.
Okay, all right. Our counsel is satisfied that a factual basis has been established by the defendant's statement of facts.
This counsel is.
Sir, that took place in St. Joseph's, is that correct?
Yes.
People are satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And are you the counsel aware of any of the promises, threats, or inducements?
I'm
No, Your
aware of
Honor.
none.
Clerk will file the court rule.
Rule
Yes,
has
Your
been
Honor.
complied.
I find the plea made is accurate, understanding, voluntary. There's a factual basis, therefore I accept the plea. And in terms of sentencing, he has spent one day in, well, let's see. He spent,
My notes indicate he may have spent 3 nights in jail, Your Honor.
yeah, well, it shows he was arrested the 16th and he bonded the 18th. So it's two full days, so 2 days, credit 2. Anything else, Mr. Might? He's already paid the $4,000 and then he's going to pay the remainder of his bond today on the outstanding arrearage.
There's a question for the outstanding arrearage, Your Honor. I have $1,230.43. Is that what you have as well?
Yeah, and that of that, $1,350 will cover that, and then the remaining balance will go to his fines and costs.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Nothing else from the people.
All right. Mr. Bush?
I have nothing, Your Honor. I asked the court to impose fines and costs.
What was that exact figure then on the arrearage? Let me just have that.
The figure that I have, Your Honor, is
Yes, sir.
$1,230.43.
All right, and that's in file 15556.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll order that there be restitution of $1,230.43 in file 15556 to be paid through the front of the court. Then there's the $50 state cost, $75 crime victims' rights fee, and 2 days credit, 2 days. Okay, Mr. Christner, that will resolve this case. Thank you for taking care of this. Of all the cases I've had over the years where we did this agreement, you're the only person, maybe one of two that I can think of that actually paid the money off and got the benefit of the deal. So congratulations on that, and thank you very much.
All right.
Thanks for coming in this afternoon when as soon as you could.
Yeah, I thought it was for tomorrow.
Oh, no. Okay. Well, so how'd you hear about it?
I seen a missed phone call from Mr. Bush's office.
Okay. All right, good. All right, well, good. That takes care of it then. We're all set, and we'll get that